When I first signed up for the lab, I was incredibly nervous about the improv piece. I actually had little to no interest in that and was excited to do more of the visual art stuff. And I was so surprised that actually the improv stuff was actually some of my favorite parts of the lab. And was not nearly as terrifying as I thought it would be. I literally would get knots in my stomach thinking about thinking about the improv piece. And it was just such a cool experience to allow myself to kind of open my brain up and my body up and be ready to receive information. And again, learning some principles that are so applicable to the real world and my actual everyday life of learning to say yes and not blocking offers that come to you in life. And also just practicing being a good listener so that you can respond to what you're hearing and not just what you are planning in your brain ahead of time and prepping for what you're going to say. So I really appreciated the improv piece, and it's not nearly as scary as you think it's going to be, I promise.
I joined the lab because I was interested in improv. I found that when I was doing improv, it really helped me get out of my comfort zone and realize that I could do hard things.
I was more hesitant about the improv than the art initially, and was happy to find out that the improv was not hard and very, very simple and not complicated and didn't require you to create an entire world or anything like that.
Before I decided to join the lab, I was pretty unsure about the improv aspect of it too. I have never done improv. I was not sure how this was going to play out, how it was going to be a part of the program. And then I discovered that the way improv is integrated into the program, it's not so much like you're going to be writing a skit or something like that or performing. It's more like it's used as, warm-up exercises to sort of open you up, to make things a little more fun. And it also, you can kind of use it to figure out how to apply some of the things you learn in the course to your life. Sort of like the things that we learn about accepting things as they are, building upon things as they are. These are all kind of improv principles, and you can easily see how you can apply that to your life, to your everyday life. And that's been pretty surprising for me.
When I decided to join the lab, I was really nervous about the improv piece of each session. I have never done improv before, and I was very nervous about it. Turns out I really enjoyed the improv piece. It was one of my favorite pieces each session. I think I laughed every single time, and I actually learned a lot about myself through these improv exercises. So if you're nervous about the improv, don't be. It's really fun. Carrie makes you feel really comfortable with it, and everybody is on the same page, and it's just a really great time.